Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make some amazing outfits for our princess to go out for a party. For the first princess, I will dress her in a beautiful red dress. Firstly, we need to make a base for the princess to stand like this. Then we need to cut a half circle in red to make a bottom for the dress. Then we need a small piece to make a top. I will use stones to make a belt. I will make a dress stand out with mixed color stones. Beautiful! Now we are putting some glitters to make the dress more shiny. Our princess looks stunning now. I will attach beautiful wings for the princess. Wow! Do you see our princess more beautiful? Let's move on with our next princess. What color do you want for her dress? I will dress her in green. Same like the first princess, I also need to make a base. The dress will have 3 layers in different shades of green. Do you remember how to make a folded layer for the dress? I will cut a green strip like this. Then fold it and lay it on the base. We need 2 strips for each layer. Next layer will be in light green. I will make a top layer in green. Then a top in the same color. A small belt in stone will be cute. I will put some white pearls on the top layer. Good. Now, some diamond for the second layers. Are you ready for the magic? I will put some glitter to make the dress more shiny. Let's put some for the top and the first layer too. Beautiful! Do you see the dress looks different now? Our princess is ready to turn into butterfly fairy now. A green butterfly wings will make her look gorgeous. Our princess is ready for the dinner now. She will get a lot of complimenting tonight. Let's move on with our next princess. Do you have any idea for her dress tonight? Let's make her dress in yellow with mermaid style. For the mermaid style, we need to shape the base smaller and thinner. Then, we need to cut a rectangle shape to cover the base. I need to trim the bottom a bit as it's quite long. I will make a top in red. Do you think red and yellow go so well together? I think so. I will give the dress a shiny belt. I will make another folding layer in red. Outline the layers by some stones, like this. Some more stones on the dress will be cute. Let's move on to an exciting part, painting the glitters on the dress. The dress looks shimmer under the light by glitter. Now, we will put a yellow butterfly wing, same color with her dress. Wow, our princess looks stunning now. We've just finished dressing another princess. She will be really happy with her dress tonight. Now we will move on with our last princess. We already made red, green, and yellow dresses. Let's make a blue dress this time. I still need to make a base. I will cut a half circle in blue, then cover the base. I will make a top in the same color. I will make 3 flowers in white to decorate for the dress. I will use flower stones for the center to make the flowers cuter. Ta-da! Let's put them on the dress. Could you guess what my next step is to make the dress more shiny? Yes, putting a lot of glitter. Be careful, you don't want to make the white flowers get stained by blue glitter. Lastly, we will turn our princess into butterfly fairies with blue wings. We finished dressing our last princess. She's ready to go out tonight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.